Short presentation by Ivelisse Del Valle. What are my strengths? Focus on goals, dedicated, team-oriented, good time and schedule management, enjoy reading a lot, compromised, and responsible. My weaknesses. English is not my primary language. I do not enjoy sitting long periods of time on a desk. I need to improve my typing skills as to speed, and I get easily bored at low-paced environments. What are my opportunities? I have improved my written skills through Jackson University, and this is a continuous work of improvement. The ability to work from home 90% of the time. It has shaped my Christian worldview in personal, professional, and cultural manners. I have become a non-judgmental individual. Today I understand the difference between sympathy and empathy. I also learned how to apply it in my daily living. I have become a better active listener, and it has shaped my skills and strengths in leadership. What are the threats? Burnout, stress, anxiety. Procrastination can happen, unexpected obstacles, illness, or accidents. Some of the strategies needed to succeed are time and schedule management. Break study time into small chunks throughout the week. Establish 1 or 2 days to type or deliver the assignments. Set goals. Know you are responsible for your own learning. Do not procrastinate. Do not miss a homework. Everything counts. Be prepared for obstacles. It will happen at some point. Ask for help, either to university, professor, family, or friends. Have someone to talk to at church or personal friend. And reward yourself. Practice resilience at all times. The end. Blessings to you all.